Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I'm currently traveling and having some small vacations to my hometown, having a deodorant that is going to be long lasting, like this Old Spice refreshing deodorant, it's really good. And let me tell you some of the things that I like the most from here. First of all, it's aluminum free. The smell is really good. And I would not say that I'm a much of a sweaty guy, but at the same time, I'm a guy who moves a lot and who, well, I'm on vacations or I'm moving to different places. I I go outside for a long time. So I need something that's gonna keep me protected and that is not gonna leave any stains on my clothes. This was or has been one of the biggest challenges whenever I'm using deodorants is not to give any stains. This one here just does a good job of nice smell, nice protection, and at the same time, it is not giving me any stains at all. So feel protected, feel secure. You can hug people, no problem. Still get your nice fat session. Sure. This was Sean with Dolly ATI. That was my point.